This is Looney. This is Looney. Hi, Looney. Looney is the dog sibling of Lady Tree. Lady Tree died the other day. And they were able to meet before Lady Tree passed away. Hi, Looney. How are you, Looney? How are you, Looney? God bless you, Looney. Oh, God bless you, Looney. God bless you, Looney. At first, Looney doesn't want to be near me. Maybe it took Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I was able to touch him. Thursday I can carry him. Today is Saturday, and this is the longest time that I was able to carry him. Oh, so sweet, Looney.